A lot of day traders get to lose out on the choppy market, right? Because they're in between, they're inside the choppiness, trying to look for buy sells, by taking buy sell. So just hitting stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, a little bit of take profit, takes you out again, just like that. You get, and before you know it, before the market is ready for your move, your account is blown, right? But see how beautifully the price has, how the strategy has saved us all of these creepy trades right here. And welcome back to my channel. Hello people, hope you're all doing great. So I'm going to go straight to the chart. In this video I'm going to be looking at silver. We're going to be analyzing silver. It's been a long time coming, right? Yeah. All right, so let's quickly go to my monthly time frame. So we posted an analysis on gold a few days ago, I think last week, and showing you how gold is gonna go down, right? Our analysis was favoring the downside, and so far we've seen that happen on gold. It's been falling pretty much nicely, but we prefer it falls faster, right? And we need to make the money quickly. So silver does the same thing to a good extent with gold. Both of them are positively correlated, but let's do the analysis because there's a slight disparity between silver and gold, right? So on the monthly time frame already, we can see how beautiful the chart looks and very spiky. Let's look at this. Okay, see how it came down and pew, went up, right? Really heavy. Okay, so let's look at what's happening right now. So our chart has already been mapped out. We've identified our major levels. Okay, and see how the price was playing around our 50% level. Came up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, played down again, went up, came down, went up again. Now it's down again, right? It's down again. So imagine if you were waiting for the price to move from this level to this level. That's why we say it's important to identify which price respects the 50% level of two zones, right? So it's important to identify that. So right now we have, let's get rid of this and this so we could see more clearly. Beautiful. This guy, okay, we could leave the yellow line. I'll explain on the 4-hour chart why we have that yellow line there, right? So we see that the price has currently respected our 50% level, went back up, didn't quite get. Personally, we don't like it when the price does this because we call it a trap, because I say the price doesn't do anything unintentionally. Everything is intentional, right? It doesn't move by mistake. There's always a motive. So this, I don't like it when I prefer it to hit my level, right, and then do whatever it wants to do afterwards instead of just shying away from it like that. But it is what it is anyway. So that's what we have right now. So and we see how it came back straight to the 50% level again, and is currently struggling to pass that level. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see if we have anything like trend lines or price actions or candlestick actions, because what we just see on the monthly time frame is choppiness. The monthly time frame is just choppy, but on the weekly, let's see if we could get any more detail. Pretty much the same thing. Okay, I think I see a trend line possibility from this level. That's already taken out. Could you work with this? See the problem with having the price not hit my level. If it had hit this level comfortably, we would have comfortably called this a trend line, right? But it didn't. I think I should change this to blue. That would be better, right? Better. Okay, but it didn't. You see, it didn't. But at least it's close enough, right? What do you guys think? It's close enough. Yeah, cool. So let's work with that. Let's work with that and see how that goes. Or we should use this. Okay, let's just get rid of this already. So whenever we are in such positions, we just get rid of any confusion. right? Look at the chart naked, get rid of every confusion. All right, so what else do we see? What else do we see? No major candlestick pattern. Okay, daily time frame. Okay, I think this daily time frame, the trend line looks more clearly. Yeah, but we can work with this. Beautiful. It's more clearly there. It's way better there. So I think we're gonna also use. Okay, no, we won't use that on the 4 hour because it has already hit this level. Okay, when we get to the 4 hour, we'll find that out. We'll see how that plays out. So we can see the price is looking to go down from this because that's broken here, went up to retest and still came back down. Right. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how that plays out in the next few days. Right. What else? What else do we see? Okay, so let's go to my favorite time frame, the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, we see that the price hits this level, our major resistance level right here. Actually created a double bottom, a double top, right, and then fell back down to our level right here. That's beautiful. And on falling back at our level, we'll draw our trend line like so. Okay, beautiful, like so, and then it hits here. Now follow me on this, follow me on this, follow me on this. It hit here and broke it at this level. What do we look for? Buying opportunities. How do we look for the buying opportunities? Counter trend line, break of counter trend line, retest and entry. Very easy, right? Very easy, very easy. And then we have that here. Okay, so let's draw our trend line and see what we find. There, straight down. Okay, so this is a pointless straight trend line, right? A very pointless one. As a matter of fact, it's even more pointless if I drew it correctly. Yeah, so we're not going to use that because it's already taken out at this level. You saw when it hit here at this level. Okay, so no trading opportunities yet, and the price fell back down, breaking our previous low, right? So when that happens, we usually need to adjust our original trend line to cover that new breakage, right? The new swing. Is this a swing or just our super trend? Okay, so let's get that involved, leaving no stone unturned. Beautiful. All right, okay, and then this is how far it went. So having the price break our previous swing low, we'll now be looking for selling opportunities. How do we look for selling opportunities? Same way, counter trend line, break of counter trend line, retest, and then an entry. All right, and we do not have any such. Okay, just a second. Okay, we have this and this. Okay, but funny enough, before we even got to have a break of trend line, a break of counter trend line, it already broke this trend line here, right? So no entry. Now does that surprise you? No, because looking at the monthly time frame, there's a lot of choppiness. There's no clear direction. So our strategy just helps us filter all of the noise, right? So imagine going into the trading with all of this. You know how much you would have lost. You would have lost a lot, if not blown your account. So this is the monthly time frame. You can see how choppy this is. There's no clear direction as to where it wants to go. But let's just keep going and see what the 4 hour can do, what more the 4 hour time frame can do with us. Okay, so now it has broken that. Yeah, it has broken this. What are we looking for? Buying opportunities, right? And funny enough, it didn't hit here, so we're still going to be looking for buying opportunities. If it had hit this level, we'll be looking for selling opportunities. right? So buying opportunities, trend line, counter trend line, and break of structure. Okay, so this is when we have this guy right here, like you saw at the beginning of the video. Okay, so we have that. We've taken note of our lowest swing here. So if the price happen to break this swing, we'll be looking for selling opportunities. Very easy, right? Not cool. Okay, so what we are waiting for on silver right now is for the price to break, retest, and then give us an entry. So we've had one counter trend line has been broken right here, right? Already it's been broken. It was broken by this funny looking candle. This one, this guy tried to push it back and it didn't work. It's still coming out again, so it's already been broken. So what we are waiting for right now is a retest and an entry. So we want to see something like this, a retest and an entry. However that's going to look, we just need to see a retest and an entry. Once we have a retest and an entry, we'll be going into the trade. For a buy, we'll be looking to take our profit at this level, back at the major zone. So we hope that works out for us, right? If that doesn't work out, then what most likely will happen is it to break back down and just keep playing around with us. But the moment it's ready, it's going to give us an entry. For now, our money is saved in the choppy market, right? Because a lot of day traders get to lose out on the choppy market, right? Because they're in between, they're inside the choppiness, trying to look for buy sells, by taking buy sells. So just hitting stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, a little bit of take profits, takes you out again, just like that. You get, and before you know it, before the market is ready for your move, your account is blown, right? But see how beautifully the price has, how the strategy has saved us all of these creepy trades right here. So we didn't get to take a trade because the market is choppy, right? So we're going to be looking out for that, this, and bam. You're going to be looking out for that on the chart. Let's see how that goes, guys. So if this video was helpful to you, do well to subscribe. You could as well share, click the notification button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on subsequent videos like this as well. Yeah, peace out, guys.